Happy new day, guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to mine your Pi coin at a faster rate. Okay, so for those who have not completed their KYC, you can see there's a final deadline extension notice, okay, on your Pi app saying that you can complete your KYC before March 14th 2025. So they have given us an ample of time to verify your KYC. So what you have to do is to come here to the hamburger icon and then you click on mainnet. Okay, then you click on mainnet checklist. Okay, so when you click on mainnet checklist, just try and complete all this. Okay, make sure everything is green. Do you understand? Make sure everything here is green. Confirm your wallet address, create a Pi wallet, commit to lockup configuration. So when you are locking up, don't make the mistake a lot of people made. Okay, some people mistakenly locked up their Pi for 3 years. So what you have to do is to just lock up for 2 weeks. I'll be showing you that in the jiffy. So just lock up for 2 weeks at a high mining rate, probably 90% mining rate, and 2 weeks lock. I think that should be okay. That should be fine for you to complete this stage. Okay, but some people unknowingly they clicked on the 3 years lockup, 2 years lockup, 1 year lockup. So we'll be getting to that. So you secure your account, sign acknowledgements to receive token. All you have to do here is to scroll down and sign the agreement. Okay, and then the next stage for you is to submit your KYC. Okay, so you'll be redirected to the Pi browser. So you need to also download Pi browser from Google Play Store, and then you wait for your KYC results. Even if it's pending, you just have to wait, and as far as you've submitted, you are good to go. So let's go back and let me show you the lockup. So when you come here, you click on configure lockup rates. So when you after configuring your lockup rates, just come and uncheck this box, because if you check this box, whenever your tokens has been migrated to from unverified balance to the available balance, this the current mining, okay, when it's released, is going to be transferred and automatically locked, and you don't want that to happen. So please uncheck this. So but for now, for you to have access, all you have to do is to drag this to 90% and then take this one from 3 years, just draw it back this way to 2 weeks. Do you understand? And then you come here and click on, okay, so you can do 100% and then drag it back to 2 weeks. Then you click on increase commitments. Okay, just like that. So if you like content like this, all you have to do is to click here to subscribe and then tap on it and click on all, so that you will get notification anytime I make videos like this. Okay, you'll be the first person to get a notification. Then like and share this video, because someone else might gain value from it. When you do that, all you have to do is to uncheck this. Okay, and then you go back. So now for you to increase your Pi mining rates, what you have to do is to go to your profile. So we have two profiles. We have one profile for the main Pi app, and then we have another profile for the Pi browser. So for the main Pi app, the mining app, the profile here is for you to see the profile here is for you to see your username, at least to know your username. Okay, and there are some certain important things to do here, like your account verification, verify your phone number, verify your Facebook, verify your email address, okay, verify your KYC. So if you have submitted it, automatically it's going to be checked here. Then your password should be correct, okay, and then you'll be good to go. Also turn on ads. It helps you to mine at a faster rate. So you come back and let's go to our Pi browser. So guys, this is our Pi browser. It's loading up. Okay, so when you come to the Pi browser, when you log in, you just have to click here on profiles. Okay, so one of the ways for you to log into your Pi browser is to click on, either you download it and then you have to save your 24 secret seed phrase. Make sure you don't give it to anyone. Just write it down on a sheet of paper or your notepad and keep it safe. Okay, so that's the way you can access the Pi browser or the Pi wallet. Okay, most especially the Pi wallet. So just have that in mind, and then click here, profile. So what we'll be doing now is a new strategy I just found out. Okay, so what you have to do is to type this Chilox 4. Okay, when you go to your profile in your Pi browser, you come here and search for Chilox 4. Just type CHILUX 4 and follow me, and I'm going to follow you back. Okay, so that's the way it works. So when you follow me, you just click on search. When you search, you click on follow, and then you click on send request. So those are the two things you're going to do. You click on follow and send requests. So when you send request, I'm going to see your request here, and I'm going to accept the request. And then you can also do that with your friends. Okay, you take your friends username, you search for them, and then you click on follow and send requests. Okay, so when you do that, your mining rate is going to be increasing because some of you have friends in the main app, and most of them have not completed their KYC. So the advantage of using this strategy is most people that have this username and that are here are people who have already completed their KYC. Do you understand? So that's the advantage of using the Pi browser username, okay, for this purpose. So see you in the next video.